Hi, this is Mani here. I head the business excellence and strategy of Apis India. We are the leaders of honey and dates. Worked in premium brands like Bikane Wala and Catch. So as I always say, Bizom manages the events wonderfully well. So this edition has been really brilliant, well organized and excellent frame of minds. So many people with excellent energy. So where so many B for brains meet, B for Bizom rock and B for business gel. Major takeaways will be, as I said, RI, real intelligence, realistic intelligence. I would cut it short, realistic intelligence. Product demo was fantastic. Really appreciate the feedback which was given last time. Any organization really grows when they take feedback in a very nice way. Bizom really did wonderfully well the discussions which we had last time. So they have really worked upon that. And it is more of a practical approach now, and they are moving toward the real destination, and we can implement how the data analysis will help into the concrete actions. So the RI edition of this thing was really wonderful in terms of connecting the problems with the solution. So I would say I'll not talk about the numbers. The numbers will talk about the business. I always say data and information always go together. It is a mixture of, we spoke about manual intelligence, then we moved to AI. It is a mixture of manual intelligence plus AI, which will eventually get into real intelligence, and real intelligence plus realistic intelligence will give to business intelligence. That is the main thing.